All right, I'm ready. Nothing's getting through these.
Anne, what are you doing?
You told me to come prepared to stay safe from plants, so I am ready.
No, I told you we were talking about plant protections and how they stay safe.
So, no trimmers?
No trimmers.
Fine. Hey everyone, Ann over here at Como Park Zoo and Conservatory. At Como, we have a lot of plants. And that means we have a lot of variety of plants too. Big plants, small plants, colorful plants, and smelly plants. And we have some plants that have developed some amazing defenses. Plants need to stay safe from a lot of different things, like diseases and pests, but mostly they need to stay safe from being eaten by insects, animals, and people. Let's go meet some of Como's plants that have the best defenses. Our first defender needs very little introduction. Most everyone recognizes a cactus. Specifically, this is a barrel cactus, and it's easy to see how he defends himself. He's covered in spines. He has an extra special reason to defend himself. He's hoarding water. Most cactuses grow in the desert or places where not a lot of water is found. So any water he's able to gather, he stores inside his round body. Of course, my friend here isn't the only one looking for water. Many animals and insects of the desert are also looking for water, and they know the cactus is holding out. Can you imagine being a little cactus and going through all the effort to store water just to have some herbivore turn up and try to steal it from you? That's why he has these spines. It's going to be hard to bite into a cactus when you have such sharp and painful armor. Did you know that cactus spines are actually specialized leaves? Besides protection, the spines can help prevent water loss by reducing airflow and providing a little bit of shade. Because they don't have traditional leaves, the cactus photosynthesizes via its stem. Let's take a look at this video of a cactus defending itself. Okay, our next plant visitor has a similar reason to defend itself. It's storing water, but it goes about it a little differently than cactus. Take a look at this picture. Can you spot my next plant visitor? This little plant is called a lithops, and this plant is called a Pleispilos, but they're both known better by their common names, living stones and living granite. I bet you can see why after looking at that photo. Living stones live in the arid deserts of South Africa, and they're succulents like cacti, which means that they store water, but they defend themselves in a different way. Instead of using spines, they use camouflage. The leaves of living stones and granite look like rocks, so they won't get eaten by hungry animals. And even though it doesn't look like it, the leaf top is actually a window. The transparent surface lets light into the green part of the plant, which is hidden below and out of sight. So it can still photosynthesize while looking like a rock. Animals in the desert would try to eat something green, but not so much a rock. Now that you know what you're looking for, take another try at my photo. Can you spot the plants this time? We'll help you out. This next plant doesn't need spines or camouflage. Take a look. Can you guess how she protects herself? This is an ant plant, and her main defense is her own personal army of ants. Ant plants and ants have a symbiotic relationship, which is a partnership where both parties get a benefit. In this case, the benefit is protection. ant plants provide a home for ants. Her thick base is full of tunnels, just like an anthill. Ants can move right in without needing to build a nest for themselves, and while they're inside the plant, they are safe. Some ant plants even provide food like nectar to their ant army. The ants help the plant by protecting her from other insect pests and even from herbivores, biting and stinging any intruders. And ant waste can help feed the ant plant as well. In fact, the ant plant's scientific name literally means ant lover. Let's watch a clip of an ant army in action. We're here in the North Garden with our final plant defender. She's small but fierce. The black pepper plant. That's right, the spice we use in cooking comes from this plant. Black pepper is the most common spice used in the world. This plant's defense can't be seen with the naked eye. It's a special spicy oil. That oil is used to stop certain animals from eating its fruit. The pepper plant wants birds to eat their fruits because they swallow it whole, seeds and all, and then deposit it on their ground in their poop, which allows new plants to grow. The special spicy oil doesn't affect them. The pepper plant does not want mammals to eat the pepper fruits because we grind the seeds up in our teeth. No new plants can grow from that, so the special spicy oil is there as a protection. Once a passing mammal like a monkey tries to eat the pepper and gets spiced out, it steers clear in the future. What a cool plant protection! It works pretty well in the wild to deter mammals, but humans still love to eat spicy foods. Check out this spicy food eating competition. That pepper plant probably is pretty frustrated that people are still eating her peppers. As we learned today, plants have a lot of amazing defenses, and here at Como, we have a lot of amazing plants. I hope next time you visit, you take a closer look to see if you can spot some of these unique plant defenses.
And I thought I told you you didn't need the trimmers. What are you doing?
Yeah, you did, but now that we've learned all about these plant defenses, I think I need these to stay safe from the plants.
You are ridiculous.
Yeah, but I'm safe. See y'all next time.